Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. My name is Christian Wallace, and today I'm going to talk about thermoacoustic non-woven synthetic fibers. I'm going to talk to you about the advantages of these types of materials, where they have been used in the past, but most importantly, why Acoustic has decided to make this its material of preference, and why, if you're working on a concrete high-rise building, you should consider it. Now guys, there are 6 reasons on why Acoustic has decided to manufacture and use thermoacoustic non-woven synthetic fibers. Now the first reason is acoustics. Obviously, being an acoustical company, acoustic comfort is one of our main goals. High-rise, hotels, residential, condo buildings for a long time have used carpet as their preferred floor solution. Now, as time has come, floorings like wood floors, laminates, vinyls have made it into the market, making carpet not the preferred choice. However, carpet has been used for a long time simply because there is no other type of floor covering that is going to be just as performant as carpet. So it brings warmth to a building, but especially it brings acoustical performance because carpet controls high frequency ratings very efficiently. So those high-pitched noise, dropping your keys on the floor, a lady walking with high heels, this is what we consider high-frequency noises. And high-frequency noises are actually the first enemy or the worst enemy of concrete buildings. Synthetic fibers, which are also in carpets, is what controls and attenuates the best those high-frequency noises. That is why we have decided to have that as our principal material in our underlayments. The second reason why we decided to use these types of products is because of thermal comfort. If you take a look at this, maybe you can see that it's very similar to what you find inside boot liners. Now, this type of product is not necessarily going to add warmth to your floor, but it's going to very effectively create a breakage between the coldness of your concrete slab and your finished floor. Third reason is because of mechanical stability. We use non-woven synthetic fibers. These fibers are not compressed together. They're not glued together. They're actually intertwined by needles. A machine that creates that bondage with the help of thousands of needles. Now, what that means is that this product is going to be extremely mechanically stable. Why is mechanical stability important to us? Well, it's very simple. Being in North America, you probably understand that floors have to live in extreme weather conditions, meaning that they go from very cold to very warm, from very dry to very humid. So obviously what happens to a wood floor is that it's going to contract, it's going to expand as the humidity is being added, as the temperature changes. So we need an underlayment that is going to be able to respect that movement, that is going to be able to move alongside with that floor without ripping apart, without breaking, without failing, while still maintaining its acoustical performance. The fourth reason is going to be for elevation. Obviously, there are a lot of different types of underlayments out there. There are some that are quite thick. We're talking about 10 millimeters, 15 millimeters, even 20 millimeters thick, which is very, very thick. We needed to find something that was going to be thin, but also performant. The reason why elevation is so important is because, especially for an installer, those transitions can be quite a headache in a job site. The fifth reason is going to be for environmental purposes. Now, as time goes on, we all know that the environment is very important. So we needed something that was going to be easily recyclable or that even came already from recycled material. They have no VOCs, no smell whatsoever, and they are extremely lightweight. Now, talking about lightweight, it brings me to my last point, which is practicality. We needed a product that was going to be extremely lightweight, easy to work with, easy to handle in a job site. Unfortunately, there are some products out there that are going to be extremely heavy, very hard to work with. So for logistics, unfortunately, it doesn't work. Workers on a job site bringing rolls of underlayment up and down stairs that are extremely heavy is going to be quite painful. Luckily, because of these fibers, we were able to provide something that was going to be performant, but also extremely lightweight and easy to work with. Now, perhaps you'd like to take a look at what thermoacoustical non-woven synthetic fibers can bring to your project. My name is Christian. I hope you enjoyed this video, and feel free to drop a message, contact me on LinkedIn, or simply send me an email and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Have a good day.